How y'all doing? Cameron Branton checking in here on my YouTube channel, Random Zombie Guy Branton. And today, the topic is going to be mental health and what you should be doing to improve yourself. Now, everyone struggles with their own type of mental health. You don't have to be diagnosed by a doctor to not have some issues with yourself internally that some people don't know how to control that. Some people don't want to take the steps to start making the changes, or they don't really realize that they have a problem in the first place. But my deal is psychosis, and what psychosis is, it's a disconnect from reality. So it's hard for me to have structure in my life, with especially the way I learned how to grow up and conduct myself for so many years. I'm 24. My birthday was December 20th. So yeah, I just turned 24, and I told myself in order to battle psychosis, I need to learn what self-discipline is to me, because I started noticing that through media and hip-hop, I was being told to live a certain way, which was not a good way to conduct myself at all. Like, they all preach kind of like the same message, unless you're like kind of more underground, then you keep it more real. But a lot of these people just say whatever to get young people like me to buy their album and stuff. So my deal with psychosis and getting better through self-discipline, something I tell myself is, in a blink of an eye you can lose your focus, and life is one conversation with yourself. So I picked up how the media and hip-hop was telling me different. It was telling me to do certain things and lose my focus by focusing on the distractions rather than the fact that I'm just having one conversation with myself about interpretation of this whole world. Yeah, so I would suggest learn self-discipline if you're going through a mental health thing, whether it's schizophrenia, bipolar, an eating disorder. It doesn't really matter what it is, because if you learn methods of self-discipline, you're going to start to develop control over some of the impulses that come from your mental health. Yeah, I just hope anyone who views this, I hope whatever struggle you're going through can come to an end eventually, and you start to get your bearings. I don't know what age it will be necessarily for you, but if you look up the topic of the title of this video, you're taking your first couple of steps to recovery, and props to you for that. Big ups. Yeah, that's basically all I wanted to talk about. Just how I cope with my psychosis, or how I'm learning to anyway, and it's been working so far. I've been exercising. I quit smoking. It's like day 10 of quitting smoking, and I feel a whole lot better. Like, cigarettes will drag you the fuck down. It's a nasty habit, and now they taste horrible and they smell bad, and that's a new sensation. And I got into smoking for a stupid reason anyway. I'm not going to state it, but I just did it because I wanted a way to cope with school, all the work, and a breakup that I went through. Stupid reason, I know. Stupid reasons. But yeah, stay strong out there, and look up my other video. It's on a different channel. It's Reasons to Quit Weed, and I hope I'm going to check out that video after this and see where it's at, and figure out what's on my other YouTube channel too. Yeah, peace out.